Best chair mat for heavy person floor mat reviews. So, if you are thinking of buying a chair mat, you are in the right place. We will provide you with the list of best chair mat for heavy person. Why you need the chair mat for the heavy person? There are numerous reasons for which you should opt for a chair mat. They will not only provide you with health benefits, but they are also ergonomic. So, you can comprehend that chair mats are useful for numerous purposes. So, let us check some of the reasons why. Number 1. Floortex Polycarbonate Chair Mat with Lip 48x53 for plush pile carpets. Floortex chair mats for the office and home office protect expensive carpets, wooden or tiled floors from the damage caused by office chair casters. The Floortex range has mats specifically designed for different floor types, desk sizes and in different materials to suit every budget. Chair mats from Floortex make moving around your desk space easier. Your chair casters glide on the surface, which can take some of the strain off your legs and back as you work. Measure the width of your workstation and consider the size of your chair base. Also think about your roll area of the total floor space you cover when seated. Choose the size that covers the furthest points you roll while working. Pick the chair mat shape which suits your workspace and activity levels. Consider whether you sit still, roll from a desk to a file, or move around to talk to colleagues. You may also want to consider a lip chair mat to give extra protection from your footwear under the desk. For everyday use, choose polycarbonate. For number 2. Office chair mat for carpeted floors. Polycarbonate transparent for rolling desk computer chairs. Low and medium pile carpets 36x48x1/8 with lip heavy-duty thick and sturdy shipped flat. DoubleCheck products. We name it and mean it. We search the globe to bring the best to our customers. Our products are DoubleCheck, marked in all aspects: durability, quality and safety. Chair damage can cause costly and irreversible damage to carpeted floors, which makes a chair mat an essential part of any office environment. Don't let your chair wheels rip up your carpet. Protect your carpeted areas from wear and tear. Help keep your carpets fresh and new. With our heavy-duty premium quality chair mat, glide with ease, simply placed by your desk or table to help protect your floor whilst allowing easy gliding of your office chair. Crystal clear and transparent, allows the original floor colors and style to shine through. Made of the toughest materials, enabling a smooth ride and prevents cracks or sinks. Number 3. Crystal clear 1/5 thick 47x35 heavy-duty hard chair mat. Our inspiration is based on market demand and customer feedback, improved many places. So MuArts version chair mat are very different from other chair mats. Improvement compared to ordinary carpet chair mat: it is more transparent, as clear as crystal. It can be applied to carpets or hard floors compared to other chair mat. 0.2 inch, 1/5 inch, thick 14 pounds, the thickest of the other chair mat is 0.125 inch, 1/8 inch, 9 pounds. Heavy duty and durable, non-breakable. Special material, it can withstand 1,200 pounds of weight. Specifications: 47 inch x 35 inch x 0.2 inch, length x width x height, weighing about 14 lb. The thickest and heaviest compared to other. Number 4. Desk chair mat for carpet. Heavy duty, make it easier to roll or slide your chair around without damaging low pile carpets with brand vinyl desk mats. If you spend a lot of time sitting at a desk chair, it can quickly wear out your carpet, especially if you roll around and pull up carpet fibers or scratch and scuff carpet flooring. That's why it's important to protect your carpet and make it easier on your knees and joints with a brand vinyl desk floor mat that lets you glide, roll, and spin with less effort and without damaging carpet. Crafted with a heavy-duty vinyl, these transparent carpet mats feature small rubber studs on the bottom to provide a cushion barrier between your seat, the mat, and the floor itself. And because they flex without sliding around, you don't have to worry about slipping, sliding, or wearing out your carpet too quickly. The perfect square shape with small cutout that fits right under your standard desk space. Get one for your home or office today and improve your comfort, efficiency, and safety. Overall, it is a very nice. Number 5. Office chair mat for carpeted floors. Desk chair mat for carpet. Clear PVC mat in different thicknesses and sizes for every pile type. Low pile 36x48 with lip. This flooring mat is thicker than conventional chair mats and is therefore particularly stable and resilient. It keeps your carpet protected against the notorious dangers arising from an office chair. Highly transparent. Clear and very high strength, is made of 100% pure PVC. This carpet floor mat for office desk chairs allows the aesthetic of your surface below to show through. Flat, dirty and damaged carpets are therefore a thing of the past, long-lasting. The hard-wearing underlay is scratch and tear resistant and unaffected by wear. With 3 thicknesses available, the chair mat range is suited for low, medium and high pile carpets. Move with ease. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribes now. Please and share my video.